Well, it's Christmas. I just got a package from eBay, and I know exactly what it is. Use my Benchmade 940 axis to open this up. Sorry, I only have two hands here. Microtech. So, a bunch of skilled one-handed opening. Alright. Can you guess what this is? Comes in this nice little sheath thing that you can't see because it's so freaking dark down here. Let's move. Comes in this nice little sheath. And inside the sheath is my brand spanking new Microtech Select Fire in full tactical black. Switch hands here. Oh, wow. This is a sick knife. Oh, I like it. I love it. Serial number 755. Made in February 2nd, February 2012. So, Microtech Select Fire manual version. Blade centering. Pretty much perfect. See this carbon fiber inlays? Perfect. Perfect tension on that pocket clip. Nice blacked titanium backspacer. That is a sweet knife. That is a sweet knife. Wow. Nice functional jimping up there at the top. This finger choil feels good. This knife feels really good. Can't flick it out yet. It's a little stiff. Almost chopped my finger off just there. My thumbs are too fat for this. There we go. So I just need some breaking in. I love it. I love it. For comparison, there it is. Put it on the light here. There it is next to my Benchmade 940. Pretty good size comparison, actually. This 940's seen a lot of use. I use it every day. Christmas has come early indeed.